7 Days Ask Me Anything. What is 7 Days Ask Me Anything? 7 Days Ask Me Anything is a basic account to allow user to have access through Kunkwan student portal content such as Ask Me Anything, Daily Mandarin Challenge, Hanazai Kunkwan, Kunkwan FM. User are required to log into Kunkwan student portal. They will be redirected to the dashboard. On the tab on the left side of the screen, user have access to a few pages. Dashboard and media. Main feature of this package is the accessibility to use the Ask Me Anything function. The Ask Me Anything function allows user to ask our Kunkwan angels such as Mandarin sentences and also help in terms of navigating or issues. Click the button on the bottom right to open the chat box. And user will be able to ask anything to our Kunkwan angel. For example, we could ask how to say, I want to order 1 coffee latte in Mandarin. Limit 1 day 1 sentence 25 words. Kunkwan angels usually will reply in matter of a minute. The Kunkwan angel will teach you how to pronounce the sentence, as well as give audio reply on how to pronounce the sentence.
我想要一杯拿铁。我想要一杯拿铁。
In the media page there will be 3 tabs. Kunkwan Mandarin Challenge is where you can learn Mandarin sentences that are being put out daily. User can learn new sentences daily. There is also a search function so student can look up the Mandarin challenge that they are looking for to recap. The next tab is Kunkwan Mandarin FM. Kunkwan Mandarin FM is what student can learn through our Laoshi podcast as they talk and teach about Mandarin sentences. Content are usually available in an app called Clubhouse which student can join Kunkwan Mandarin FM. Kunkwan Mandarin FM are available daily around 1:15 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. daily. Similar to the previous tab like Mandarin Challenge user can also search for content they wanted to listen to. The last tab is for Hanazai Kunkwan YouTube channel. User can go through our content that is also available in YouTube. They can also gain information, learn new Mandarin words or gain inspiration, motivational message from our guests as well. User can also search for the content that they want as well. If the user tries to click the other tab such as document there will be a pop-out requesting the user to upgrade their basic account into a premium account. If user have any issue with Kunkwan student portal they can reach out with us using the Ask Me Anything or contact our Kunkwan support through WhatsApp.